Started. हेलो हेलो हेलो, चैट किधर गया? हेलो, hello everyone. Hello, hello, hello. हेलो एवरीवन, हेलो हेलो हेलो, आवाज़ आ रही है बच्चों? Please upload mathematics chapter regularly, sir. Okay, Amit will be uploading maths chapter regularly also. And today we are doing about physics analysis for Comedk plus Kcet. What is the difference? What is the plus minus here and there? Okay. So let's see. Let's understand what we can do in this. Okay, so we'll be starting the session. Just we'll wait for 2-3 minutes. How is everything going, Amit? Shubham? Classes, studying, sound okay? How's the preparation going? And for the exams? What about others? How is it going? Good, bad, any difficulty, any doubts? So today everyone will be talking about the most important, the analysis between CET and Comedk, and for the physics part. Okay, so physics, which chapters are important for the CET and which chapters are important for the Comedk. Is it same? Is it different? What is it? We'll talk about that in more details. Okay, let everybody join. Just 2-3 minutes we'll give so that everybody will join. We'll have a proper interaction with all of them so that they don't have to watch a recorded session. And how was the English exam for those who have written today's exam? How was the exam? Which chapters should must do in physics? Will come. I'll show you the real life. What are the chapters? What are the questions? Okay. What kind of things are important? I'll show you. Don't worry. So today's session is all about that only. Just we are waiting for 2-3 more people so that we can start and then done. Okay. And a small request to all of you, do inform all your friends. It's a new channel growing up, so do inform all your friends about the channel and the content what we are providing. Any difficulty, anything wrong, anything what you say not proper or correct from our side, do inform us also. We'll improve on that. Okay. So be honest when you are informing, and we like the honesty part. Okay. So first today we'll be doing the discussion for the physics 101 CET versus Comedk. Which chapter more important and which chapter has a very high weightage? Okay, by how much? Is the questions repeating, non-repeating, how much repeating? A lot of things are there. Sir, by the PYQs can I solve all the questions? Can I get all the marks? What is it, what not it is? We'll talk about all that in details in today's session. So physics will have a very proper idea after today's class. What is coming, what is not coming in CET and Comedk both. Okay, so let's see. And today, everybody who has downloaded the app, well and good. Those who have not downloaded, do download. Today we had done a free session for the app part where we discussed about the crash course that we are providing. Okay, in detail, in depth. Okay, so do check, do download the app, and the session, recorded session will be there. So for those who haven't been in the live session, okay. Now one more thing to all of you, 30 days now almost remains 30 days. Still you have the time to get it below 1000, but that kind of focus, that kind of commitment should be there. Your commitment should not lag. Okay, like yeah, studying tomorrow, not studying, not like that. Okay, so again and again I am telling, commitment is very important for anything. May it be relation, may it be your exam, or may it be any other thing. Your commitment, how committed you are to that thing is very, very, very important. So coming to the part, we'll start the session. Now let's see whoever is there. It's okay. Whoever isn't there, they have to watch it in the recorded session. Okay. So very simple will be, now first we'll go through the CET part. We'll see which chapter. Normally we all know for the CET that the weightage is around 45, around for 12 topics, 45 to 42. And for the 11th part, it is 18 marks to 15 marks. This is the basic idea we all students have, correct? So based on that calculation, we can see here also around a dabba of 40 and a dabba of 20 for 11th and for 12th, correct? This is the basic idea that we have. Now we'll see whether this idea is exactly correct or not. Okay, clear, we need to check on that. So let's see, let's have a check. The first thing that we are having here, this is for Comedk. Now we'll be discussing with the chapters which are from 12th. So if you see the chapters which are from 12th, the first chapter that we will get is electric charges and field. If you see what is the weightage here, 3, 3, 3, 1 suddenly, okay, and again 3. So here you have a chance from 1 to 3, okay. It can suddenly give 1 or it can give a 3. So very, very, very important. Here you have a chance of 1 to 3, okay. On an average, more we are going towards 3. Mostly we are seeing that data to be repetitive, but sometimes 1 also, okay. Now, next chapter, electric potential and capacitance. This wrongly written here, it should be here. 2 in 2017, 3 increased, again 2019 3, 2020 again 3, 2021 again 2. So again it is just going from 2 to 3. 2 to 3. This is 1 2. This is potential we have done. Electric charges we have to write here 1 2 3. Okay. Clear? So we are getting 2 to 3. What about the next chapter? Current electricity. Let's see. Current, if you see, on the other hand, if you see the current part, how much we have here? 2017, we got 5, 18, 6, 19, 3, 23, 21, 4. So minimum 3 to 4. Minimum, what we can see? 3 to 4. So we can write 3 to 4 minimum. Okay. And a lot of students, they've asked this doubt like, sir, will the session per day will be having in YouTube? Yes. Around 9:30 to 9:50, I'll start. Someday I can get delayed. So by that time I'll be there. So per day we'll have the session, okay? Alternate it will be one day maths, one day physics. Next, moving charge and magnetism. If you see moving charge and magnetism, 17 we have 4, 18 3, 19 5, 25, 21 5. If you see the last 3 year data, so it is telling that next year again we'll have for a 5. So we can go for a perfect 5. Okay. So first 4 chapters, kids, what is the minimum and the maximum? 5, 3, 8 to 10 and 11. And here 5, 4, 9 and 6, 15. So first, if you're doing the 12th first 4 chapters, okay, you are getting between 11 to 15, first 4. This is from the Comedk, first 4. Make a table here. This is our Comedk bhaiya, okay. And this is our CET bhaiya. In Comedk, first 4 chapter, first 4 class 12 chapter. Excuse me. We have from 11 to 15. First 4, 11 to 15. Now we'll see for the CET part. For the next part in the CET, let's say CET part. Electric charges and fields 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 5, 3. So what you can see? Average 3 minimum. First chapter, average 3. Okay, good. Potential and capacitance 3, 3, 3, 4, 6, 3, 5. Minimum 3, maximum it can go to 6. Okay. Third topic, current 6, 8, 6, 6, 6, 6, 4. So minimum 4 to 6. What you can see? Minimum 4 to 6, 3 to 6, or 2 to 5. Correct. Moving charges and magnetism 5, 4, 4, 4, 6, 6, 5. So minimum 4 to 6. Correct. If I add the minimum and the maximum, what will I get? 8, 11 and 2, 13. And this side what I'll get? 12, 18, 23. So a whole different analysis what we have got from here, 13 to 23. 13 to 23, first 4 chapter. So you can see first 4 chapter, 11 to 15, here 13 to 23. So CET, what we have, 11 to 15, you can score in the Comedk from the first 4 chapter of class 12th. Here, from the first 4 chapter, 13 to 23 marks. Okay, so very, very important. CET, maximum it can go huge. So first 4 chapters, if you're good with electric charges, fields, current and moving charges, you can score maximum 23 marks. Let's see the next part. Next part, what do we have? Next chapter, magnetism and matter. So it can come, it cannot come also. See, 3 marks, no questions in Comedk. So it can go minimum 1, it can go to 0 to 3. Okay. EMI, electromagnetic induction, 1, 3, again nil, 1, 3. So minimum 1, it can go, maximum 3, minimum 0 also. AC, it is always coming 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. 2 to 4 we can go. EM waves 2 to 1 to 2. So minimum 1 to 2. Clear? So next 4 chapters, M&M, EMI, AC and EM waves. What you can expect? If I add the minimum, I'll get 2 to maximum is 6 for 10, 12. So next 4 chapter if I see of class 12th, it is from 2 to 12. Okay. What about here? If we see the CET part, magnetism and matter, 3, 2, 3, again 2, 2, 2. So most chances is for a 2 marker. Electromagnetic induction, 2, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2. So most chances is 2 marker. AC, 3 marker, 4 marker, 3 marker, 5, 3, 3. So 3 to 5 we have a chance. EM waves, one time coming, not coming, coming, not coming. Again it came, not came, it came. This year it might not come. Okay. So 0 to 1. So if you see the next 4 chapter here, the minimum that you will score is 4, 6 marks and maximum 10 marks. So here the analysis will be 6 to 10. Clear? So a lot of difference is there in this 2 part for the CET and Comedk. So you can target based on that. The chapters which you're finding it, okay, this is good, it's compulsory coming, you can take that. Rest you can leave it. Okay. Next, if you see ray optics, wave optics, very, very important for Comedk. Each year 6 marks, 10 marks, 11 marks, 7 marks. So if you combine these two, minimum 6, maximum 11. Very important, ray optics and wave optics students for Comedk, ray and wave. For those who are preparing for Comedk, ray and wave, never leave it, because 6 to 11 the range is just 2 chapters. Okay, 2 chapters, 6 to 11, very, very, very important. If you see CET part, ray optics and wave optics, 6, 7, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. So max what you can get in ray optics is 5 to 7. So it's okay for CET part, but Comedk it's a what? It's a treasure hunt. Okay, if you're going with ray and wave, very solid, you'll be able to score 6 to 11, very easy. Okay, next part, modern physics and semiconductors. 8 plus 5, 13, 7 plus 2, 9. See, the variation is there. Atoms and nuclei, they're not asking. 5 plus 1, 6. 3 plus 5, 8, 1, 9 and 3, 12. 4 plus 1, 5 and 5, 10. So on an average, we have 13, we have 6. So minimum 6 to 13. So modern plus semiconductor will have 6 to 13. Minimum is 6, maximum is 13. Hello Shubham. Hello Preksha. Next, if you see the CET part, they're coming each year. Here there is no gap. Okay, so very, very, very important. There is no gap in any of the chapters. All chapters are equally important. In the Comedk we've seen some chapters they might skip sometimes also. So here what we are seeing, 5 and 7, 12, here 10, here again 12, here again 4, 11. So minimum what we can see, 6 and 5, 11, 12, 11. So minimum what we have seen is how much? 6, 4, 10, 12, and maximum what we have seen is, so on an average 6 and 4, 10, okay, basically 10 and 12, 12, yeah. So 10 to 12. So very, very important, 10 to 12. So for those people who are in CET, this topic holds a very high weightage. If you are in CET, modern physics and semiconductors, a very high weightage. You can't skip it. And simple questions are there. For CET people, it's like very simple, very easy to score. Simple formulas, get it done. Nothing else. Okay. So these are the topics of the 12th. If you do it, what are the marks you'll be scoring from the 12th CET part? Minimum you will be scoring If I take the minimum 21, 27 and 10, 37 from the 12th part, this part. If I see the maximum part, what I'll get? 52 part, okay? Now if I see the other part, what we have in the Comedk, one second student. If you see in the Comedk, how much we are getting? 13 plus 6, 19 plus 6, 25. And maximum 15, 12, 30, 27, 11, 38 plus 3, 41, 51. So almost similar. The maximum was 52 here, minimum here, maximum 51. Minimum is less here, minimum was more here. Okay, so fluctuations in Comedk is a lot. Everybody getting the point? Fluctuations in Comedk is lot, and 11th weightage they can fluctuate. Okay, but CET 12th weightage is good. Now these are all the topics of 12th. 11th topics, if you see which topics you have to do. Physical one, no need to touch. Okay, leave it as it is. Units and measurement, important chapter. See, the number of questions coming in units and measurement is less, but what is important is, with the help of unit and measurement, I can solve a lot of questions. So mark this one as important. For those who are seriously preparing, mark this one as important, okay? Clear? Now, laws of motion, every year one simple question comes. So don't leave it. I'll tell you the trick, which one to solve it, which question, what type repeats, get it done. Nothing more, okay? Next, motion in a straight line, always one question. Very rare, two questions. Again, here also very simple question keeps repeating, okay? So do follow the channel, be there. Every day I'll be telling you this chapter, this are the important topics. If you just do that much, done. Okay, we'll finish it then and there. Motion in a plane, only 2018 it got skipped. Otherwise, 1 mark, minimum 2 marks, maximum it can go for 3. Okay, WP minimum 1 question will come, and the question will be based on work energy theorem. That's it. Everywhere, work done equal to change in kinetic energy. Mostly this question, based on this question comes. That's it. Okay. System of particles, a lot of question comes. Moment of inertia, something other concepts also. So here it keeps changing. Don't worry. Gravitation, very simple formula based question. Simple topic. Simple. Gravitation also very simple formula based. The formulas which I am telling, do that. It will be solved in a seconds. Done. Next, solids and fluids. Don't worry. If you're in Kcet, you can get max 1 to 2 questions. Max 1 and 2. So don't make a like, sir, what do you say? This part I haven't done once also. It's very difficult. Okay, 1 or 2 marks. No, as of now, no need to take care. First, take care of the other 50 marks. Rest will come to this. Don't worry on that. Okay. Next, thermal properties of solids. Again, 1 mark, max, sometimes 0 also. Max sometimes can go very rare to 2. Thermodynamics, minimum 1 will come. This is easy. Simple question comes. I'll tell you the gist of the whole thermo part. What are the questions they target? Do that. Done. Nothing more. Oscillations, 1 mark max. Sometimes it got skipped also. Kinetic theory, 1 marks in the last 5 years. Earlier it was used to get skipped, but very simple. Waves, again don't get too much frustrated by the waves part. Very simple, 1 mark. If you want, you haven't done properly, you can leave it also. No issues, okay? You can leave it also, no issues in that, okay? So this, if you see, on an average, minimum 1 marker. How many questions we have? 15. So minimum 15 we can go. Max it will go to 20. Okay, nothing more than that. What about Comedk? Let's see. So class 11 topics. It can go max, what do you say here? Minimum 15, 1 marker, and max to 20. Clear? Now let's see the Comedk, how they're asking. Unit and measurement, see, 2019, 4 questions. CET never dared to give more than 1. Correct? Max 2. Comedk, 4. See the variation. 1. Again 1. So you can't judge it. So it can go from 1 to 4. Clear? Now coming to the next. Laws of motion. Nil. 1, 2, 1, 3. So same thing. 1, 2, 3 you can get it. Straight line 3, 2, nil, 2. So you can see what is it? Not a single question also. You can see 2 questions also. Okay. Work power energy 1, 4, 2, 1 and 2. So minimum 1 you can get, maximum you can go to 4. So work power energy also very simple question they are asked. Okay. What is a rotation? There is a skip also in between, again 2 marks. So if you are preparing for Comedk, you might skip rotation, no need to do. Gravitation, you can skip 1 mark or nil marks also. Solids, you can skip. Fluids, you don't have to skip 1 mark, 2 mark, 1 mark, 2 mark. So basically you should do it. Thermal properties of matter, you can skip. If you want, you can keep, because in between they have skipped it. Thermo, you have to do it. Oscillation, if you see 1 mark, 2 mark, 4 mark, 1 mark, 1 mark. So 1 to 4 it can fluctuate, so you should not leave it. Very important, okay? Kinetic theory, you can skip also, not coming these days. Waves, you have to do, very, very, very important. So again, same thing, around 11 to 15 marks it will be there, okay, from the 11 topics. So we got an idea from 11 to 15 marks, that's it, done. So everybody, we got an idea what is coming for the physics part in CET and what is coming for the Comedk part. So if you're doing the first 4 chapters, minimum 11 to 15 you're securing in the Comedk, and for CET 13 to 23. So very important, first 4. Next 4, 2 to 12, see very much fluctuations. Here very good, average 6 to 10, so good. Ray and wave, very important for Comedk people, 6 to 11. Here it is okay, you can't skip, but okay. Modern and this part very important, 6 to 13. Here most important, 10 to 12. And then 11 topics, 11 marks to 15. Here 15 to 20. So this is the whole analysis, what you say, question by question we have done. Now anything you guys want to ask? Anybody has any doubts? You want to ask any doubt? Nobody has any doubts? Everybody has started preparing. That's good. Nobody has any doubts? Amit, Shubham, Preksha, nobody has any doubts? So if you don't have any doubts, let's give the important part. Kartike, no doubts, okay. So this is the exact analysis, you won't be getting anywhere, okay, because nobody has properly Comedk papers, and from whichever book they have done, that is not proper. This is exactly from the Comedk original question paper. So this you can take it screenshot, okay, and based on this you can prepare without having any doubt in your mind whether you're going proper way, not a proper way also, okay. So you are walking in the correct path. Only thing is you have to walk properly and you have to walk every day. Clear? So as of now, we'll keep it till here. This part, the analysis, will come up with a chapter later tomorrow. We'll be doing the chapter determinants and matrices questions. So go through the chapter. Tomorrow in the YouTube part, we'll be solving. We will be solving PYQs of MAT. PYQ of MAT and DET from both CET and Comedk. Okay, for those we will be solving tomorrow PYQs of Comedk and this one. So what you do, go through, will be giving you I'll be doing a very fast and brief way of the synopsis, the formula part, and then directly we'll move on to the questions, okay. The crash course, Anju ma'am, we are providing in the app, okay. We are charging a bit nominal amount, so that because in the crash course, this is free in the YouTube part. Here we are just doing a brush up. In the original, in the app part, what we are providing the crash course, If you have not downloaded, do download it. Do download the app SAMCLASSES. You'll have all the question paper of CET and Comedk arranged chapter wise. You can download it. That is free of cost. Okay. And for the crash part, those who don't know, we're providing the crash for physics, maths, and chemistry. Per day, minimum 1.5 hours of class of all three will be happening. Minimum 1.5. So what you can expect is 4.5 hours of class per day. Dedicated will be doing it. Okay. So minimum 150 hours of class in 30 days. Once we have finished the whole syllabus, we'll be writing 3 mock tests. You'll be writing 3 mock tests. We'll be doing one-on-one analysis of the test. Okay. And this crash course is for those students who want to get a rank below 1000. If you have that much of guts to get a rank below 1000, you want to work for that, join the crash course. Okay. If you don't, it's okay. If you want to score a rank below 1000 and you want to work that hard, do join it. Because there I'll be taking long classes, will be doing all things, whatever is needed, whatever kind of doubts student will be having, I'll be taking care of all that. So any doubt, anything about the crash course, ping it on this number 8050491740. Okay, give me a call. I'll be talking to you directly, whatever the queries is, and we'll be solving it. If you want a result less than 1000K, below 1000 rank, do ask about the crash course. And if you're working hard, if you're ready to work hard, then only go for the crash course. Okay. Because there I'll be literally forcing you to work hard. Per day, minimum 4.5, maximum it could go to 7 hours also. Okay, because I'll be explaining in details till the time you are able to understand. I won't be leaving you. You have asked a doubt. If not, after the session I'll explain. So do join for the crash course if you're ready to work hard. Okay, and do inform all your friends about the class and the crash course. And per day I'll be coming live in the YouTube same time, around 9:30 to 9:50 I'll be there. Okay, any doubts, any kind of guidance you want to have, do call on this number. You have done, you have prepared, you have not prepared, half prepared, whatever it is, doesn't matter. From now this point, if you're willing to work hard for the next 30 days, do call in this number. Whatever your doubt, your query will be solved. Okay. Anybody has any other doubts? And one simple request to all of you, do share this information with all your friends so that they're able to join the class, they're able to do the crash course, and they're able to secure a rank below 1000. They can get a dream college. At the time of college, you should not be like, sir, my rank is so less, so more, can't do anything, which college to join? No. It should be like, the college which I want, sir, I can get it. That's it. So that is for that thing I'm working. Okay, this much hard. And the whole team is working for that. So our main target for all the students is to get a rank below 1000. And I have told openly to other students also. I'm telling here also in YouTube. For those who are scoring rank below 1000, if you're able to score rank below 1000, all your fees will be refunded. So we are not here to take your money. We are here to take the rank. Yes, you can still get you can still get 130 plus, but we need the proper dedication. Okay, we need proper commitment. No here and there, no Facebook, no WhatsApp, no Insta, nothing. Okay, if you work hard, join the crash course. If you're ready, if you're able to secure rank below 1000, whatever you paid in the crash course will be given back. Done. So we are not here for the money part. We are here to make the rank so that you get the desired college. At the time of choosing the college, you're not sad, you're happy. We have whatever we want, we can take the college. That is the thing I'm wanting from all the students. Do inform all your friends about the class, about the channel, okay, so that they can also join. 30 days we have. Per day is very important. Tomorrow onwards, the crash course is starting. 150 hours minimum of the live class. And if you have skipped the live class, it will be the recorded version. So do join. Any other doubt anybody has, do tell it. If any other doubt still you have, ping it in the WhatsApp number. Okay. I'll be teaching for physics, chemistry, physics and math, sorry. Chemistry, one ma'am is there. She's IUPAC member. She'll be teaching the chemistry part. We'll be teaching all three subjects, PCM. We'll be taking care of all the three subjects. So that's why we're charging it. If it was just me, I could have, made it free also. But since for the app and everything, we need to pay. So that's why we're charging very nominal amount from all the students, okay? And we don't have that much of students. We are like small team, dedicated team, so that whatever students we have, we get the result. We work on each of the student, seeing their homeworks, how they're preparing, asking them the questions every day, so that their preparation is going very proper for the next 30 days. No here and there. So anybody has any other doubts, you can ask. So if anybody wants to join the crash course, do ping it in the WhatsApp number. We'll be replying you in that. I'll be giving you a directly call. Any other doubts regarding the crash, whether I'll be able to do it, if the class is moving very fast, will you explain the questions again and again? Definitely. After the class also, I'll call and I'll explain. Saturday, Sundays, we have the doubt session. There also will explain. So we will not leave you behind, whatever it is. So you can directly call us, contact us, number is given. For the fees part, call in that number. You'll be able to get to know. WhatsApp it. You'll be knowing that. Very nominal fees we are charging for the next 30 days. And we are providing the 3 mock test also. All India part, all the students will be competing on that. You'll be getting an all India rank for that. So that's it from my part. Any doubt, any difficulty, ping it in the WhatsApp number. So Anju ma'am, do put up in the WhatsApp number, send a message. Now for all those students, any other doubt regarding this? Anybody has any other doubts regarding the crash course or anything, the analysis? Now you know which chapters to target, which not to target. Now for the crash course part, we have kept the amount very nominal, okay? Anybody, any other doubt you want to know, you want to ask, don't hesitate, no issues on that. If you're starting today also, we are ready to work, but you have to be ready so that you work hard. Whatever your difficulty, you haven't prepared 11, doesn't matter. You're ready to work right now hard. We'll be working on that. We'll be clarifying each and every concepts of class 11th also. Doesn't matter. So nobody has any other doubts. So in that case, we'll be ending the session for today. Crash course is starting from tomorrow. So for those who are ready to score and who want to score a rank below 1000, or they want to improve their rank a very significant amount, 40% in board means how much marks I should get? Just clarify your question, Kusum Girish. How much marks you need to get to score what? Anybody has any other doubts? And tomorrow, one more thing very important. Tomorrow we have a webinar from 6 p.m. Message will be sent. Samir Kumar, that is not in our hand, Samir. Maybe, may not be. Suddenly if COVID spikes, we can say. If it doesn't, we don't know. And what the government authorities will take. So we can't sit on that. Still 30 days, Samir, if you work hard, I can say damn good increase will be there in your rank. You'll be able to score a way better rank. So 30 days is very important. And it is a good amount of time. If you work hard, it's definitely good amount of time. Okay. So anybody else, any other doubts regarding Comedk or CET? So tomorrow we'll be having a webinar where we'll be talking about the blueprints of maths, physics and chemistry. We'll be talking about the ultra plan which you need for the next 30 days, how to make it to the top 1000. Okay. And in the crash course, we'll be providing you the tricks, how to solve the questions in less than 30 seconds. Per question, we have made a habit of solving it in two ways. One, the general method, one, the trick method, in which you will be able to solve almost in most of the questions in less than 30 seconds. We'll teach you how to solve the questions in less than 30 seconds because that is the timeline we have. Okay, if you're sitting for a Comedk or CET exam, per question will not have more than 1 minute. So our target should be to solve in less than 30 seconds so that we are there in the timeline of 45 to 50 and then done. Because most of the students after the exam, they say that the time was not much. Okay, because of the time we were not able to solve all the questions. Though I knew, okay, but I was not able to solve because of the time. So we want to reduce that time gap. So you will be solving live with me. For Kcet, 50% will be considered, sir. So in board, how much marks I should get in board? See, if you want to score 1000 below rank, for Kcet 50% will be considered. Yes. So in board, how much? What is the rank you are expecting? You want? See, board, if you are scoring, let's say, a crash course is available in the app, SAMCLASSES. App link is above. You can check it. Okay. For fees and everything, do ping me in the WhatsApp number 8050491740. Okay. And for 50% in board, see, Kcet is like 50% of your board, 50% of Kcet mark and 50% of your board rank. So if you are getting like, let's say 90%, so 50 of that, 45 will be taken. And if you're scoring 130 marks here, so 65 of that will be taken and added and then given. This is the way they do. Okay, so below 1000, how much you have scored in boards? What do you think? How much you will be able to score in boards? See, whatever boards almost passed, so your target should be in boards to score 90%. Okay. And this side 130 plus, that will be more than enough to score you a rank below 1000. Anybody has any other doubts regarding the crash course? Anything? Yeah, that is more than enough. So target for the safer side 130 plus. Okay, 130 plus on the safer side, damn good score. So ping me Samir and Anju if you want to do for the crash course. Ping in the WhatsApp number we have. Do contact us if you want the crash course. We'll be working one-on-one with each of the students so that your marks can go up. Okay. Now any other doubt from anyone else? Tomorrow again we'll be there live 9:30, between 9:30 to 9:50. Comedk preparation कैसे करो? Okay, for Comedk preparation, see, I already told earlier also yesterday's session. First thing is the concept part. Okay, per chapter, go with the concepts and the formulas. What you have in the concept part, what things are coming, we have already given the concept videos. Okay, and here then the formula chart, whatever it is coming. what are the important formulas on which they're asking, okay? And then once you have done for a chapter, let's say integrals, know all the formulas and how do you apply it. Once you know these two, directly go for PYQ. Don't go here and there, directly go for original Comedk PYQ, which you will get in the app. Original Comedk, go to the original Comedk PYQ and then start solving, and that too you solve it in a time based manner. Means per question don't give more than 60 seconds. Per question don't give more than 60 seconds, okay? Anything more than 60 will be harmful to us. Okay, 60 seconds, give it, directly move on to the next part. See how you're how you're doing, and then you'll do the analysis. Same thing you apply for physics and chem, you'll be doing great in Comedk. Plus you need to analyze what are your weak topics, what are your strong topics. Today we gave the analysis like which chapters are very important for physics, for Comedk part and for the Kcet part. See, for the Comedk, for the CT I gave which chapters. So do focus on these important chapters. Ray and wave very important. First 4 chapters very important. Modern very important. 11 topics also okayish. Okay. So that way you have to prepare. Kcet 240, if I get 130 plus is enough to score. Mostly yes, if you see the previous years, if you are getting 90% there, okay, and here 130 plus, mostly yes. Again Piyush, a lot of students they ask this question, let me clear it, okay. A lot of students they say, sir, JEE practice karna zaruri hai. Now what is happening is, see JEE what happens is, we have around 25 questions, 3 hours. So per question we get 4 minutes, correct? Here how many questions? 60 questions, 60 minutes. Per question we have 1 minute. So is the JEE level and Comedk level same? Maybe 1 or 2 questions can come, maybe. But can the others be same? Here we are expecting one JEE question to take 4 minutes and solve. Can I put the same 4-minute questions all here? No. So never. JEE questions, 1 or 2 JEE level max, but don't go start with the JEE level. It won't benefit. For those who have already, they are in the JEE level, they will do good. There is no doubt about that. See, you are already in the top level, you can easily do the below level. But if you are here and directly you are planning to climb here, it won't be a good step. Got it, Piyush? Anybody else? Any other doubts? Again, one small request to all of you, do inform all other friends also about NEET part. As of now, my majors, just understand I'm, what do you say, a teacher by passion and profession both, okay, teaching past 9 years. I'm basically a CS student, okay, long back. So we'll talk about all that later. Right now, the only thing you need to know is a person who is interested in making the students' rank go up, okay, that's it. My main target and one thing is that my students should get the rank which I'm targeting. That's it, nothing more than that. If I'm able to do that, I'm good. If not, I have to improve in that. Piyush, practice के लिए only PYQs. First start with PYQ. Go with NCERT and then exemplar. NCERT good questions, try to solve it in fast manner. Okay, like 30 seconds, 45 seconds, like that. Because time is the main factor, not tough questions, okay. I'm a BTech CS student, okay. So, done engineering long back. Before engineer also teacher, after also a teacher. So, doesn't matter on that. What about other questions? Anybody else? Any other questions? Any other doubts you have? Lohit sir, any other doubts, sir? Nobody else? No doubts? Good. For BSc Agriculture safe score, I'll inform. Exactly, I don't remember it. I'll inform. I'll check and inform. What about others? So for CD and Comedk, any other doubt from anyone? Don't follow MTG book, not genuine. Genuine book nahi hai. Piyush Kumar, it's not a genuine book. I can show you directly from the past 3 years paper, 2019, 2020, 2021. अगर आप 3 ईयर के क्वेश्चन को मिलाओगे, उसमें से चेक करोगे, इट वोंट बी सेम एकदम नहीं है, ठीक है. वी ऑलरेडी हैव द एमटीजी बुक, हमने देखा, उसे चेक किया पूरा का पूरा. उन्होंने एक क्वेश्चन इधर से उठाया, कुछ 2005 के क्वेश्चन उठाए, कुछ इधर का उठा लिया. एनसीईआरटी एग्जैक्टली इज नॉट एनफ, फुल्ली एनफ फॉर सीटी, सो यू नीड टू नो अ बिट हियर एंड देयर ऑल्सो, ठीक है. सो whatever extra knowledge will be there, will be giving you in the what do you say part, in the crash course and everything part. So exactly MTG is not good. We have the MTG book. If one day I'll put up a review, by tomorrow or day after I'll put up a live demo review where I'll show the exact question paper which came of the students of the Comedk, and I'll show that the MTG it is not matching. Okay, so when we were preparing the questions, we saw it was not matching. Okay, you can also check by yourself and be the judge. Okay, no other books, JEE and all, no other books, they have proper PYQ. What you can do, go to the app SAMCLASSES, you have free of cost the chapter wise segregated PYQ for both Comedk also, for CET also. You don't have to join the course, you don't have to do anything, directly go and download the app. In the app section, open each chapter. See, in each chapter there will be important question paper 1, that will be for CET, important question paper 2, that will be for Comedk. Done. And download it, practice it as much as you want. Anybody, any other doubts? Piyush, hope that answers the question. Any other doubt? PYQ के लिए आप बुक्स को ना सॉल्व करके आप जो हमारे क्या बोलते हैं क्वेश्चन पेपर्स है उनको सॉल्व कर लो, वो हेल्प करेगा, क्योंकि एग्जैक्ट ओरिजिनल क्वेश्चन पेपर नहीं दिया गया है एमटीजी में, ठीक है. और किसी बच्चे का कोई डाउट है? एनी अदर डाउट्स? अदर बुक्स मैम वी वेंट थ्रू, व्हाट इज से MTG also we went through Arihant, we went through Diksha, not proper. Anybody has any other doubts? Piyush, any else doubts regarding CT Comedk? Yesterday we did the maths analysis, today physics, tomorrow most probably we'll do a chemistry analysis also. What things are coming, what is not coming, what is important, how much. Sir, per day how many lessons I should read? See, the way I'm targeting in the crash course, I'll explain you that also. See, per day you should read one chapter of, if in the crash course, if I'm targeting physics 1 chapter, chem 1 chapter, maths 1 chapter. So you should go by that only. Okay, even if you're not going with the crash course, if you're reading by yourself, go by this. So what will happen? 27 to 28 chapters are there. By 27 to 28 days, everything will be finished. 2 days for the revision. Next 3 days, join the mock test, you will be able to score. See, whenever you are opening the crash, app, when you open the app, there will be the course. Just click on the content of the course. Okay, in the content you will see chapter name written, physics, maths written. Click on physics, per chapter will be shown, and then inside the chapter it will be there. For Akash, first what you do, open the app, and in the app the content part will be there. Click on the content part. From the content part, 2 chapters, 3 chapter section will be there. Subject section, physics, chem and maths. In the subject section, physics, click it, per chapter wise it will open, and then you will be able to download the paper. Comedk में 100% सिलेबस करना ज़रूरी है, 75 to 80% भी अगर अच्छे से कर ले तो चलेगा. See, just now I shared the analysis. Comedk बहुत ज़्यादा वेरी करता है. ठीक है, तो रिस्क नहीं ले सकते। ठीक है, अगर आप ये एनालिसिस अगर आप इससे गो थ्रू करोगे ईच एंड एवरी ईयर का क्वेश्चंस को हम लोगों ने 2017 से लेकर 2021 के जितने क्वेश्चंस थे सारे को हम लोगों ने एनालाइज किया, पुट किया, तो देखा कि बहुत ज़्यादा वेरिएशन है मिनिमम और मैक्सिमम में। फर्स्ट 4 चैप्टर से मिनिमम कम से कम 11 मार्क्स आ सकता है, मैक्सिमम 15, so 11 to 15 it can go. Next 4 it can go minimum 2 also, maximum 12, so you can't take risk here. Ray optics minimum 6, maximum 11. Modern physics plus semiconductor minimum 6, maximum 12. So very difficult if you just going by few chapters. ठीक है, 1 or 2 chapters you can skip. Around 90% I'll say for the safer side, for good rank you have to do. 10% definitely you can skip. What about others? All okay? Any other doubts? Any other questions? Yes, ma'am. If you are working that really hard, definitely. And from my side, best of luck for that. But work really hard, not just for one day. Next 30 days, don't skip any day. Work really damn hard. You will definitely go below 1000 rank if you are working very properly. And even if you don't go, you'll be almost there, like 1200, 1300, because you have put up that effort. If you don't work for 1000, you'll be going beyond it. Okay. We'll see for optics, ray or wave important. एक बार मैं देखूंगा, optics करा देता हूँ. What about others? Any doubt? Thank you all. Only one request again. Do inform all your friends about the channel and about the whole analysis, so that they are able to prepare very properly and they're able to score a good rank. So whatever way I can contribute in the rank, that will be very much beneficial. Okay. So for today, let's keep it till here. If anybody has any doubts, do ping it. If you want to know about the crash, put it in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Till then, thank you. Best of luck all. Start studying. Okay. No here and there, no distractions. Work hard and do the best result. Okay. No doubts. So the just one important thing is just 1 month fight. Okay. So 1 month, if you are using all your resources in studying, okay, you'll be able to secure a college like top 3 colleges. That college can save a lot of money. Okay, if you're studying in the top 3 college, you have to pay less semester fees. If you're not working hard and getting a bad college, you have to pay more amount for 4 years. So work hard now. Try to do the best and get the top college in Kcet or Comedk. Okay. So for today, that's all. Thanks everyone. We'll see you again tomorrow, same time, by 9:30 to 9:50 I'll be there. Okay.